Hi everybody, good morning and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button you see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside the subscribe button, and I always recommend that you press it. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you when I upload a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, like today, and I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be all set. Also, if you enjoy my content, please take a second to give me that thumbs up right underneath the video. It does help on the YouTube platform. Okay, I'm so excited. I just turned on my computer and I see that the choices for IPSY are up for the Plus as well as the add-ons. So before I even go in, I said I'm going to sit down and start to film so that I can get this up early for you guys. All right, so let's get started. So this is the second of the month, and this is what I call my IPSY day. And this is the day that used to be the day that you chose your items for your Glam Bag and your Glam Bag Plus. Now it's solely for the Glam Bag Plus. This is the mid-range bag that's $25. They choose 2, and we get the opportunity to choose 3. So let's start there first. So here we go. So it comes in here. I choose the Plus section tab, and then I simply go in here where it says choose 3 products. So let's see what they chose. So the first, what they chose for me here is Shades by Sean. This is a new brand to me. This is a neutral edition 9-pan eyeshadow palette. And then from Half Caked, which is another new one for me, and I love that, it is a totally tubular mascara in the heights. And tubular simply means that it's wrapped around the, if you like the Thrive mascara, that's very similar. It wraps around the eyelashes, and what ends up being is when you remove it, at the end of the day, it comes out like in tubes. It's pretty cool. If you haven't had a chance to try a tubular mascara, this is a nice way to get introduced to it. All right, so let's see what the choices are. So for the first set of choices that they're giving me Dose of Colors, Meet Your Hue, and they're giving it to me in light medium. Then from Kors, they have a cream cleanser. From One Kind, they have a Dream Cream Nighttime Moisturizer. I think I also saw that in the points section. I think it was around 1,200 points. And then from Pearly Say Beauty, they have a BB Base Primer. And then, my God, some great choices. They have from Pearly Say Beauty and Sela. They have the Purely Say Beauty. They have the Balancing Moisturizer. And from Sela, they have the Creme de la Creme. I've had the opportunity to try the Sela brand and I enjoy it. Same thing with Pearly Say. The Dose of Colors, if you haven't tried that concealer, that is a really nice one. The cream concealer from Kors, that would be new to me, but you know me, I do enjoy the Kors line. One of a Kind is brand new, and the Pearly Say Beauty is one that I've had the opportunity to try and enjoy. So that's my first selection. The second selection that I have is from Air Repair Skincare. It says it's a complex boosting moisturizer. I'm not sure about that product, or that I'm going to have to look into it a little bit more. From Jekka Black, this is the Glow Drops in Rose Pearl. The Jekka Black, the only product I've had the opportunity to try, and it was from BoxyCharm, was a corrector for under the eye, and it is a nice product. From Item Beauty, oh, I'm happy this is here. This is the One Hit Triple Action Setting Mist. I didn't get this in my Glam Bag X, but I saw a few girls did receive it and they did enjoy it. Then from Ico, Rock and Roll Lash Out Mascara. And Ico's mascaras, this looks like a new one to me. They come in a tube. So it's nice, and also the brush looks like an hourglass. So this is a new one for Ico for me. And if you want to know more information, all you simply do is click on the pictures, what I'm going to do once I stop filming, to go in through each one in more in depth so that I'll be able to make a decision for myself. Then from MOTD, which stands for Makeup of the Day Cosmetics, in a brush blending eye brush set. that looks like a really nice brush yet too. And I had the opportunity to try one of their larger brushes from Makeup of the Day, and it was a really, really nice brush. Oh, O's Laboratories. This is the brand that is developed by Lady Gaga, and this is the brow and lash, and it's a topper. So it must be, I don't know, a topper might give a little extra something to the brows. And then from Jewel Smith and Beauty, this is the Power 5 eyeshadow palette. I have not had the opportunity to try her eyeshadows, but her lip products I have, and they're nice. And this is a Heroes Mighty Patch Invisible, and this might be for acne. So those are the 3 choices that I'm going to have to choose one in each one of those to complete my bag. And then let's go to the Glam bag, because we can go directly into the add-ons and see what our add-ons are going to be for today. So for everyone that gets the Glam bag, you simply go into your section, and then you'll be able to see what's going to be in your Glam bag, and then you'll be able to make your choices from there. So what they chose for my Glam bag is from Benefit Cosmetics, was my choice. This is a brand new mascara that just got introduced, and I could not believe that it was even a choice. So I'm so excited I'm going to have the opportunity to try it. It's this Their Real Magnetic Mascara. Next beside it, it looks like they're giving me a lip balm in peppermint. From Farah, I'm getting a brush, number 620F. And then from Hanalei Company, I'm getting a face cleanser. And then let's see what else. They're giving me from Sophie and Mabel, I Wake Up Like This Skin Perfecting Primer in Clear. And then that must be the bag for the month. They also have where we can get a total of 10 extra products this time that we can add to our bag. So I can choose 10 products for my Glam bag, and then I can choose 10 more for my Plus. And then they have a special offer. It's a free gift with a $25 purchase, Day to Night Eyeshadow Cool Mini Quad. So if your add-ons add up to at least $25, I guess this will be added. This is something new for me anyways. And this says it is valid through March 3rd. So today's the 2nd. Usually they keep these up for 2 days. So this is just for the add-ons. All right. So let's see. And it says it's $25 before taxes. So the first bundle in the add-ons that they're giving us the option is these $50 bundles, which are PMD Beauty, and it is Clean Body in Berry as well as in Blush. I'm not familiar with this product at all. I know that I do have a face one that I haven't had the opportunity to try yet, but this one says it's for the body. Then they have a $25 bundle, and it's also a bunch of different tools. Here also from PMD. And these might be the ones that are for the face. Yes, these are for the face. And then you'll see in the little corner with the cross over it, these are normally $99. Then from Patrick Ta, I love that they're putting this in everybody's add-ons now. This is the Major Brow Shaping Wax in Clear, as well as, I'm so happy these are here for everybody. I've had the opportunity to try the Patrick Ta. I got it in She's Adorable, and I'm enjoying it so much. So I might see if I could, I'm going to see how much I have that I want to put into my bag, but this is really, really exciting. So these are the colors that are She's Passionate and She's Seductive. And then it looks like it has another beauty tool that's a facial roller. Then they have some $18 full size, and they have the Kate Somerville Goat Milk Moisturizing Cream. This is also a really nice product. I do own this. From Origins is a brand that I really enjoy, and this is new to me that it's going to be in the IPSY family. This is the Pore Perfecting Cooling Primer. From Kosas, this is a product that we had the opportunity to try if you have BoxyCharm. I'm not a huge fan of this, and it might just simply be because I am a combo girl and I find this to be a little bit too oily for me. It does give you a lot of coverage for a tinted face oil, and then they gave us a couple of options there in the color choices. Then from 111 Skin, this is a sports booster. I do enjoy 111 Skin, and I do own this, and I did a whole video on what boosters are. Then they have from Best Face Forward. This is another new one that's new to me, this brand, and this is a tonal pimple patch. That would be a new brand to me, this BFF. Then from Kosas, we have, where I'm trying to film now, I sometimes get interference. Then from Kosas, we have a lipstick and blush duo in Darkroom and Longitude 0. Kosas is another one that I've had the opportunity to try through BoxyCharm, and I'm loving that the brands are crossing over, so people who just get IPSY are getting access to some of these fantastic brands. And then from Simple Satch, they have a 3-pack face mask. Now let's look at the $12 section. So here, as you saw in my plus, I have the cores option. So if I wanted to choose something else, but I didn't want to not choose the cores, I would be able to add it in here, which I enjoy that. So this is normally a $26 moisturizer, and it is in the $12 section, and this whole section that's $12 is still in the full sizes. Then from Anastasia Beverly Hills, they have the Dip Brow Gel. I haven't tried this from her. I have tried, or maybe it's just new packaging. I'm going to have to look a little deeper into that. From Kitsch, the Ice Roller, which is another product that I received from BoxyCharm. It is really nice, and I do enjoy the Kitsch brand. Then from Tula Skincare, this Go Away Acne Spot Treatment. Then from Farsali. Farsali is another one that I really stayed clear of, and then I had the opportunity to try it because it showed up in the box, and I am enjoying it so much. And this is their Blur Perfecting Serum. From Item Beauty, here's the same thing. We just saw it in my selection, and now it's here. If I didn't choose it there, I can add it here for that setting mist. And then that One of a Kind, same thing, moisturizer, as well as the Perlice BB cream. This is unbelievable. Okay, then from Perlice, the same thing, the moisturizer. We went through all of these. Complex Culture, they have a good light highlighter duo in Lucid and Afterglow. If you're not familiar, Complex Culture is a brand that is part of IPSY, but it is so high-end, and the packaging is so high-end that you would not even, if you haven't had the opportunity to try Complex Culture, it is a find. Then from Laura Geller, they're showing a lot of Laura Geller now. This is the Prep and Glow Lip Scrub Tint Duo, and then they gave a couple of choices there. Huda Beauty, they have a liquid lipstick in this beautiful color. And then from Florence by Mills, this is another brand that I got introduced to actually from ULTA, and I got her mascara, which was nice, and now I'm seeing a little bit more of her product. I did receive something from her brand that I just haven't had the opportunity to try yet, but this is her lip oil. Wow. Now we got some eyeshadows. Violet Voss, the Essentials 2. I was able to get this in the points section, and it is just beautiful. Complex Culture. This is the eyeshadow palette. Also stunning. And then from, this would be new to me, this is from the Belle Argent. They're showing this a lot on Instagram right now. And this is their eyeshadow palette in Plum Premonition. And then from Tarte, I just received this also from Boxy, and this is the Double Take Eyeliner in black. Really exciting. That is a really good Tarte product. One side is the liquid liner, and the other side is the crayon. Then it looks like some of the brushes that I just had the opportunity to get. And then from Replenish Hair Mask, I do own these also, and I have not had the opportunity to use this yet. And then from Smooth as Silk Hand and Body Scrub, and then from Aura, it looks like there is a facial micro needle roller system. I got a high-end one from a brand that I paid a lot of money for, and it's sitting in my drawer because I'm a little nervous about using those micro needles. So if any of you have used it, please leave it in the comments down below. Now we're in the section that is my favorite. So just let me take a little sip of water and we'll look at the $3. Excuse me. Okay. From Ciate London, we have the lip oil. This is a product I've used and enjoyed and recommend. Cocoa Kind, this would be new to me. It's a sleeping mask, and I really enjoy sleeping masks, so this might show up in my bag. Then they have a leave-on conditioner from Way, another good product that I would recommend. Sleeky is a new one to me. This is the Silk and Repair Therapy Conditioning Mask. Then from Elizabeth Mott, this is a brand that I'm getting familiar with, but I have not used her vitamin C facial scrub. Even Prime, this is another new brand. I love seeing the new brands in the $3 section. This is a cleansing gel. Right beside it, they have a gorgeous blush in it looks like a peachy tone. Hanalei Company is a really fantastic brand. So if you haven't tried anything from their brand, this is where you do it. It is a brand that's made in Hawaii, and the brand is from Hawaii. But I found every product that I've tried of theirs I have really enjoyed. Then this is another new brand to me, this Ellie Man Beauty. I'm not familiar with them at all, and it looks like a bunch of eyeshadow duos. And then they have some more brushes on their own, and brushes in the $3 section are always such a find. Then from Naked Cosmetics, this one is pressed. Usually Naked Cosmetics it is loose, so their loose pigmentation is fantastic. I don't think I've had the opportunity to try their pressed yet. Then from Saint Lux. Saint Lux was a brand that I just got introduced to from BoxyCharm with some lip liners. So this brand is obviously now part of the BoxyCharm IPSY family, and it looks like it's a couple of highlighters. $19.99, not familiar with that brand either, another new brand. And this is the Precision Color Pencil. And then it looks like we have some lip products, which I've had the opportunity to try from the Jules Smith, which are nice, as well as these crayons from Male Beauty. They are fantastic also. I've tried both of those and I really, really enjoy it. Then it looks like we have some choices for some masks, from sheet masks from a brand that I'm not familiar with, and then from Cream Shop, which is another one that's really starting to introduce themselves through the subscription box world. And then I just put this in, I'm so excited. I just put this in my True Wants Needed bag. I think it was in volume 4. And we're also now, this is the cream that's going to be in, I think, volume 1 when we have the Pashmina scarf. So this I'm really, or volume 2. I know I'm trying my best to get this into a lot of girls' hands. It is a fantastic, fantastic hand cream. And actually, Ronnie from Living Obsessed just said to me, this is the best hand cream that she's ever used in all the bags that she's ever had the opportunity to try. So as you know, with my True Wants Needed bag, when I find something that I love, I like to be able to share it with you in those bags. And now this is in the $3 section here. It is not an expensive hand cream, but it is fantastic. So this is a great place for you guys to try it. Then from Nails Inc., there is a hand mask. I just watched somebody who said that they're enjoying so much these hand masks and these feet masks. So this might be something I'm going to try as well. And it looks like they have from the Vintage Cosmetic Company some makeup remover cloths that look very similar to the makeup erasers. So really excited. There's a lot of options here, guys. So I'm going to sit down, do some shopping and some picking of my choices, and hopefully you will join me when I unbox, and we'll take it from there. So happy shopping to everybody. Have a great day. And as always, I appreciate that you take any time out of your day that you spend it with me here. But more importantly, during this time, I want to make sure that everyone continues to stay safe so that you can all stay well. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye for now.